Hi guys, Amanda here to talk about the Lifesize Admin Console. Let's take a look at how to customize your Lifesize Phone HD. The Phone HD is the command center for the meeting room. Not only does it deliver unmatched audio, but it puts all the conferencing functions you need right at your fingertips. Search the directory, make and receive calls, adjust your camera. It's all done through the customizable touchscreen interface. Customization of the Phone HD is done through the Lifesize Admin Console. So, whether you have one system or 1,000, you're able to manage everything in one place. Click on Room Systems and you'll see a list of room systems paired to your account. If a room system is connected to a Phone HD, you'll see it in the controller column. Click on the Phone HD you want to modify to open the customization panel. Now you can customize the home screen wallpaper, layout, and time zones. There's even a preview so you can see your changes before you save. In the Wallpaper tab, you can customize the background using one of the images provided or by uploading your own file. Select Layout to define what buttons you want shown on the home screen. You can choose a 4-button layout with the date and time on the left or right, a 6-button layout, or an 8-button layout. Then, you can select which shortcut buttons appear, like camera controls or a custom speed dial for a frequently dialed contact. After selecting your buttons, you can easily move them around. Lastly, select time zones, where you can show up to 4 local times at the bottom of the display. Just toggle on a zone and open the drop-down menu to select a location. You can also give each time zone a custom name, such as the city where your headquarters is located. Once you've finished customizing your Phone HD, you can click Save to apply your changes. If you'd like to apply those changes to all of your Phone HD systems, just check the box below the preview before you click Save. To learn more about the Lifesize Admin Console, check out the other videos in this series, and be sure to follow us on social media for the latest features and updates. Thanks for watching.